Speaking out in Egypt today is dangerous. I want to highlight the plight of 4 people wrongfully arrested for their work, fighting for the dignity of others, Gasser, Karim, Mohammed, and Zaki, from the Egyptian Initiative for Personal Rights.
Karim is 37 today, and instead of celebrating at home, he's locked up in prison. His only crime was defending human rights.
Today, I'm joining the people of Egypt and many others around the world, and I'm calling for the immediate release of Gasser, Karim, Mohammed, and Zaki. And happy birthday to Karim. You are not alone.